Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties, Article 38, rules in a treaty becoming binding on third states through international custom. Nothing in Articles 34 to 37 precludes a rule set forth in a treaty from becoming binding upon a third state as a customary rule of international law, recognized as such. Article 39, General Rule regarding the amendment of treaties. A treaty may be amended by agreement between the parties. The rules laid down in part to apply to such an agreement except insofar as the treaty may otherwise provide.